She's a single mom and she's in a coma tonight after she was hit by a suspected drunk driver last Monday while on her way to work. And that driver was going the wrong way on I-225.
And tonight her children can't see her in the hospital and they don't know if or when they'll be able to speak to her again.
Denver 7's Gary Brode sat down with the family as they wait and worry.
A glimmer of hope.
We have a lot of faith that she's going to pull through.
And each other.
You hate to think that something like this is what brings you closer.
It's what Diana Sevilla's family has to get them through.
She's probably one of the most amazing people I know. And just, why her?
The 46-year-old single mother of two teenagers was on her way to work last Monday morning when her SUV was hit by a suspected drunk driver going the wrong way on 225 in Aurora.
I saw the accident on Facebook, and I recognized her car.
The other driver died at the scene. Sevilla has been in a coma ever since.
She was always there, and that's part of why this has kind of been so surreal. She was kind of like an emotional pillar for all of us.
19-year-old Tyler Sevilla is Diana's oldest child. In his mother's absence, Tyler is acting as the pillar for his 17-year-old sister and the rest of the family.
Tyler's a rock. He's so strong.
Diana's mother, Janice Wood, says the family is struggling to come to grips with what happened.
It's hard to imagine that, every day we wake up and go, so it did happen. This is real. It's kind of like a giant nightmare. It's not something you ever think you'll go through.
Because of the pandemic, the family is unable to visit.
It's definitely made it harder. Not knowing and then also not being able to see her, it's just this huge feeling of uncertainty.
The family says when Diana first arrived, she was given a 5% chance of survival by doctors, but says she's showing improvement as her family waits for the time they can see her again.
Honestly, I don't know that I'll be able to say anything. Whenever I've imagined it, I would just want to hug her.
Gary Brode, Denver 7.
I'm sure he does. And the family tells us Diana is scheduled for another surgery in a couple of days. This will be her 4th surgery, and she will likely spend months in the ICU. And Diana has insurance, but the family fears her bills will exceed their insurance limit. So her children have set up a GoFundMe to help with the bills. If you would like to donate, we've put a link up on our website, thedenverchannel.com.